What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this gorgeous looking, boxed up, fierce looking, aggressive Lexus GX 550, guys, right in front of us here. Just take a look, man. Damn, love the light bar at the rear. Now this is the GX 550, and thanks to PCM Group for calling me over to getting this video to be shot so you can show you guys how amazing this car looks, guys. Looking really good, man. Love the color grey. I'm very sure it comes in so many other gorgeous colors, but in today's video it is a gorgeous looking grey, guys. So let's start off with the front. Let's look at the lights. Now these are the DRL lights, which we will turn them on later to show it to you. But as you can see, I like how it just goes like this and points like that, right? So very pointy looking light. Love the main headlights hiding right underneath here, and also here, and right down here as well. So fantastic location for lights like this. Now turn indicators should be over here, but we'll turn them on later to show it to you. Nevertheless, let's admire how the black finishing is over here, and also on top of that, the bottom here you also get some gloss black finishing with the lights all the way inside, all the way to the side as well. Now for the bottom front bumper, you have these different kind of finish of a color, because this one right here is a gray and this is a bit different, but yeah, it does the job. It looks good, and number plate goes right there as well. Fantastic place. You got some airflow happening all the way through the grille here, even down here. So radiator is right at the back there. You get your Lexus badging right there as well, together with your 360 camera. So looking really fine for a car like this. I like the matte sort of like textured finish for the front grille, so it's not as glossy as the paint. It's not like the gloss black, but it does the job. Very nice. So for the front hood, very nice looking design like finish for the lines that are on it, on the left and the right, and I like how it curves down here like this. So looks really boxy, looks very edgy, very squared up and nice. Now for the side, you do have your wheel arch, which has the body color on it as well, but I like how they have those lines on it, so it does look very good indeed. So let's start off with the wheel. Multi-spoke wheel, two-tone finish. Love the grey finish, then the silver also at the same time. And the tire size for this car, let me find it. Dunlop tires is what they're using. Tire size is 265 50 R22. So yeah, that's exactly how the tire looks like. Solid disc brakes for the rear, and Lexus badging right there in the center as well, so looking good. So Dunlop tires, and they're using the Grand Track. So yeah, damn good for off-road, I believe. So black finish all the way on this side for the front hood. Your wipers are located right there. You got your side mirror right here, follows the body color, but the bottom piece right here in this matte black finish. Turn indicator should be on this side. You got your mirror located right there. Door handles are like this, black finish all across the whole side. Just check out how amazing this looks, man. Wow, gray, black, and then the bottom right here, similar with the dark finishes. It's not really black, but it's in this sort of like a different kind of a gray. But yeah, you do get your side steps once you open up the door. Check that out. Beautiful, very solid looking step. And for the doors, you do have your amazing finish right here on the inside. You get your Mark Levinson speakers, this wooden sort of textured finish. Your door handles to open up the doors, to hold, to pull, to close the door. Compartment storage down there as well, looking good. Like how square the side door looks. And then the inside, you do get your glass roof right on top. I believe there's a way you can make it clear or blur for the top. You also get a shade. And Lexus wording right here. Carpet looks good. I believe they have not put the carpet right on just yet, but the internal one looks just fine. So it is a kind of a high up car to get into, but you gotta be putting your leg right on there, then you can get right in. So dashboard looks really cool, very nice, and leather finish all over the place, man, dude. So for this side, of course, your glove compartment. Plenty of storage, man. There's a lot of stuff you can keep. So many different levels. Of course, there's 1 and 2. Legroom is good. This is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seat belts are in black, and yep, I got my handle right here to grab onto it in case I need to go into. You got your Side handles right there. You also have your mirror mirror right here, center mirror right there, Lexus camera. And yep, these are all options. I believe you can purchase it later on, but yeah, you can open, close, things like this, touch sensitive lights and whatnot for the doors, for the turning it off and on. So you have your type C connectivities for you to charge your phone, for you to connect your phone to the main screen. I like how the screen is boxed up and squared up like this, so it does turn on in a while more, I believe. Hopefully you guys can see it. But yeah, the screen looks really clear, really good, and very nice indeed. I like what I see, man. Love the aircon that is over here also as well. Very nice touch. So you got your drive selector mode, different modes you can actually choose when you want to drive time. That's kind of nice. You also get your traction control, you got your tow haul, you got your different drive modes that you can select, and also your amazing gear. Just go drive, reverse, PR. Manual is on the other side, so you got to push it to manual. Go to D, push it to the other side, and your handbrake is on this side. You got your hole, you have your what do you call this again, differential lock, I believe. So you can actually choose to go fully front or all four wheels or not. It's fully up to you. Two cup holders on this side, and yep, you got a nice shade to cover. You got your wireless charging happening over here also as well, so that's kind of nice. And see how you open this up. Okay, cool. So push right in, and then you have your compartment storage right down there. So cool, very nice. So let's take a look at the rear. Nice step on it, get right down, easy and comfortable. Let's move to the rear. I like how the glass at the back is actually dark. If you were to tint your car, perhaps you can do it this way. Looks kind of cool for the rear. Or maybe the car comes standard like this, perhaps not, or maybe it is. I'm really not so sure. So yeah, anyways, amazing shade for this side. You can cover it up. If you don't wish to have more light coming in, you can take that out manually, put it down. Handles right here, got the wooden finish over here, handle right there. Mark Levinson speakers over here, compartment storage down there. Looks good. So for the rear, as you can see, I folded the seats up earlier because to show you guys the amazing boot space that's in this car, man. Dude, fantastic. Before we get right to the boot, we are at the wheels for the rear. So multi-spoke rear wheel once again. You got your solid disc brakes right there. You got your grey finish all over the wheel together with the silver texture lining all over the place. And Dunlop tires is what they're using. Tire size is 265/50 R22. So looking really good for a rear wheel like this. The wheel arch is grayed out, and you got this dark finish of a grey happening at the back, including the side of the car. So looks really nice as well. So of course, petrol cap goes right here. Let's push the seat down to show it to you guys how it looks like. So this is of course in an upright position, but I've not adjusted it just yet. Amazing glass roof right there. So let's take a seat right in, show you guys. Handle right here, you can hold on to it and get in. This is me sitting almost comfortably. Okay, cool. So adjusted the rear seat. Legroom is fantastic. Front also is already fantastic. Plenty of storage space at the rear. You got your amazing appearance to see the top glass. You can make it clear. You got your aircons right here, handle right there, looking good. Let's get right down once again and take a look at the boot. So for the rear, of course, you get your amazing light bar, the rear tail lights. They go from left to right. Lexus wording right here so as well in the center. Number plate goes right there. You got your similar GX550. I like how this rough textured finish is over here because, you know, using it for all sorts of rough kind of purposes. I believe this is a tow hook you can actually use to tow in case you need to carry anything. Exhaust tailpipes at the rear, looking good. Spare tire right underneath, looking fantastic. Let's 360 camera over here also as well. Let's open that up. Check it out, man, dude. Boot space is super huge. Seat belts for the rear two seats, which I'm gonna pull them up shortly to show it to you using this. You got your charging socket over here also as well, and you have some sort of compartment storage down here to keep some small stuff. Cup holders, two on this side. You got cup holders, two on that side. You got your connectivity charging type C over there and over there also as well. Check out the space, man. with the seats actually folded, right? So let's do that again on this side. Let's see if I can do this here. So check that out, man, dude. Easy. Just pull one time and then it just goes into this. Looking good. I like it. So let's move to this side. Take a look. I like how the side step comes down. Very nice. Beautifully done. And driver seat. So of course, take a look at the doors. Compartment storage down here. You got your handle right there. I love this orange finish of here, design like. Window adjustments, unlock and lock left and right. Side mirror adjustments. You got your Mark Levinson speakers right here. Handle to open up the doors. Square finish looking of a side. Very cool. I love the handle right here to hold and to go into. You have your amazing seats. Very comfortable and nice. Seat adjustments, Lexus wording, brake accelerator pedal. You got your opening up of the front engine. You got your petrol cap opener. You also get your some other side step that you can even put it in off or on if you wish to turn them on, off or on. Boot for the rear, reverse sort of like your parking sensors. You got your memory seats for the driver, and also you get your speedometer lights, you know, the brightness and whatnot. So you can actually up and down, you know, choose to brighten it or darken it. Air vent adjustments. So let's get right in. Show it to you. So once again, sitting comfortably right here at the driver's seat. Seat belts are in black. Fantastic. Amazing looking finish of a steering wheel. Love the pedal shift, negative, positive. You get your wiper adjustments up and down, left and right. You got your, wiper adjustments over here. Turn indicators are on this side, together with your flashing of your lights. And also, wiper adjustments for the rear and also for the front. And very cool looking design like finish of a car. So steering adjustments are electronically adjustable on this side. So very nice finish indeed. Other settings for you to control over here. You got your cruise control settings over here. So looking really fine. I like the two-tone finish of a steering wheel. All these finish-like elements similar towards the logo and whatnot. Very nice. I like it. Very cool looking car, man. So let's turn on the DRLs to show you guys how amazing this car looks. So take a look at the front. You get your beautiful finish of a light for the front. Let's take a nice cover photo before we move on. One right there, looking damn fierce, man. So very sharp, very edgy. Love the light. You gotta be here to see this in person. You can look for Nicole. Nicole perhaps will be here to assist you. And got lights right underneath here. That's for that. What about the rear? What about the rear, guys? Damn, fantastic looking. Let's go right down. And of course, guys, I forgot to mention, this is a shade that you can hook right in to block whatever that you don't want people to see from here all the way inside. So very nice indeed. So as I mentioned, the lights, love the line that goes from left to right, looking really good. Really good. So what about the hazard lights? Sup. And here we are. So turn indicators, as I mentioned, for the side, it's over here for the mirrors. Very nice finish. I like how it's done up that way. And also right down here, you get your turn indicators right below the DRL. So the DRL still remains, but your turn indicator pops up right underneath. So looks really good. I like it. Now how about the rear? The rear looks very nice indeed. So on the left and the right, very clean, very nice. Nice. So let me just turn off the lights because of that sound. Yeah, there we go. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Lexus cars, do head down to their showroom all the way here in Subang Jaya. They have tons of cars parked right outside there, as you can see. All their demo units are right there, including their showroom displays are, perhaps you can see from here. They are right there. So the showroom is superbly beautiful. A lot of stuff happening over here. And you guys can actually view all their cars here, and you can get in touch with Nicole and Nicole's team. A lot of salespeople are over here so as well. Or you can just check out the description below and contact Nicole directly, or just drop by the showroom and visit the place and check out this car. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.